Sam and Myrna Catalina were hoping to raise a glass to retirement 5 years from now.
But that's all changed.
Sam owns a San Francisco real estate business.
Things just stopped.
And his nest egg has been eaten away by the recession.
My retirement portfolio is down about 25%.
Now he doesn't know how to invest what money they still have.
I'm still searching.
Real estate and the stock market were supposed to be the reliable investments. But the financial crisis has turned a quarter century of assumptions about retirement savings upside down.
Definitely it's created a serious level of fear.
Ted Benna has lost about 20% in his retirement fund, and he's not just any investor.
I'm commonly identified as the father of the 401k.
In 1980, Benna, a financial consultant, created what's now the main retirement savings plan for most American workers.
Yeah, I think what made this so difficult is the fact that stocks and bonds tanked together. You know, the strategy of being diversified just didn't work.
Thank you for calling Vanguard. Hope you have a nice day.
So worried investors have been lighting up the lines at Vanguard, the country's largest mutual fund group, where everyone is asked to pitch in and take calls.
Thank you for calling the Vanguard Group. This is Bill McNabb speaking to you on a recorded line.
Even CEO Bill McNabb.
How much money do you manage here?
We manage about $1.1 trillion.
At Vanguard, which sends out statements to 20 million accounts, McNabb says the crisis has changed investors. 3 years ago, a typical Vanguard account had 70% in stocks. Today, that's dropped to 62%.
It's going to be transformational in terms of how people think about risk, how people think about savings, and those actually could be healthy in the long run.
For years now, Americans have put little money aside, counting on double-digit returns from the stock market to bail them out.
So when are you planning on pricing that deal up?
We've expected the stock market and the real estate market to do all the work for us.
Absolutely.
We have to do it ourselves.
We're going to have to do a lot more of it ourselves.
McNabb says the savings rate is one of the most critical issues facing the country. Among Americans nearing retirement, about 60% have less than $100,000 put away.
How much does our savings rate need to go up?
You know, so today, if you look at what the average 401k participant saves between 9 and 10%, our math would say it needs to be more like 14 or 15.
For the average American, raising the savings rate to 15% of his or her income would mean another $2,200 a year. What's more, the father of the 401k says the wise retirement strategy now is to keep training so you can keep working.
One way you avoid of having your retirement nest egg run dry is being able to continue to earn a paycheck.
Sam and Myrna Catalina are confronting that reality.
Not all is lost. I mean, our lives are just evolving differently.
Like millions of Americans, they're adjusting to a new economy and new expectations. Anthony Mason, CBS News, Malvern, Pennsylvania.